Hey, slow down a bit. I think our viewers want to see you cross the river. Hey, slowly, my boy. Jeez, this dog is always in a rush near the water. Alright, good boy. Oh, yes, more than what I thought was going to be. Alright. That's interesting. I'm going to assume that the rocks that used to be here actually washed away. Right, let's see if we can cross this without getting too wet. My shoes are semi-waterproof. Yeah. Good boy. Okay, let me see if I can get up here without... Oh. And there he is. He's my boy. He's my boy. Yeah, now he is doing great. Healthy, happy, bouncy. And then some days he's very patient with Freya the kitten, who can be very rambunctious. And the other days he is not so patient. And then I have to discipline him, which sucks, but anyway. Can't have him bullying the cat. Where are you? Are you there? Are you there? Ooh.